So hey, what's up guys, what's going on? In this video I'll be unboxing the Spigen 10,000 mAh 2-in-1 power bank. So this side Shubham here, you're watching UnZip Tech, and without wasting any further time, let's get started. So this is the packaging that you will get if you're gonna buy this product from Amazon. So let's open this up a quick. Nothing much inside this plastic bag, so I'll just rip this out away. Going to this box, inside this you have another box and the bill. So let's pull this out first. And again, nothing much inside this cardboard box. I'll throw it away. And here is the bill. I'll just blur the address, and talking about the price, I bought it for 1699. Okay, now here we have our power bank box. So on the front side you get the branding as well as the product description. The product model is PA2000. On one side you get the branding, and on the other side you get the specs of this product. On the bottom there is nothing to be covered, and on the back side you have all the specs. And yeah, one thing to notice over here is this product is made in India, but somewhere where I searched it shows like the brand is Chinese. So I'm not sure if it's actually a Indian brand or what. You can Google it out. I'll open up this tags quickly. Okay, so we'll open up this box now, and yeah, the first thing that we can see is the cable. So I'll just pull it out, this cable first, and keep it aside. Let's check what's next in there. So next thing looks something big. I hope that's the power bank, and yeah, it is. So I'll just pull it out safely, and nothing much inside this box again. I'll keep this aside. And let's check the things that we receive one by one. So first thing we get is the tag, which is the thank you tag. Let's keep this aside. Then we get the user manual. Unlike the other YouTubers, I would suggest you to go through the user manual because it has all the product description, how you should use it, what are the safety measures and all. So I recommend reading the user manual before using it. Let's keep this aside. And let's check out this main product for which you guys are waiting. So this is like an average weighted power bank. Let's pull it out from the plastic, and yeah, the feel is really good. It comes with the matte coating, but one thing to be noticed is like later on I regretted on this matte coating part because it really gets dirty very easily. But it obviously gives the premium feeling. On the back side you have some things written. Let's focus on that first. Alright, on the other side you have the indicators on the bottom, and on the other end you have the button to check the indicators and also to check the wireless charging status. Front side you have the wireless charger, and on top you don't have anything to be covered, but on the bottom you have the USB out and Type-C in and out port. By the way, The cable which I have got with this is type C to type C. You can go with any other option that you wish to, but yeah, that was all about this product.